Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are gonna make a clock out of this piece. Now I had it taped off and I cleaned that all off. And now this is the orientation of it. So this came as a kit from Target. So I want to make sure that it is at the top. I'm not going to put any numbers on this. Okay, so that's in there, and now this goes on. I'm just going to tighten it down with my fingers. That'll be fine. Make sure that didn't move. It didn't. And now the hour hand goes on. At least it's supposed to. And the second hand. Okay, that's going to clear that. Alright, so now I just need to get a battery. Isn't that amazing? I made a clock. How about that? I love this, the paint job is really pretty. What do you think? Now, if you don't have a hole in the center of your piece and you want to drill it, you just get one of those center finders. This is a center finder. You would take it and put it right here. Of course, this is in the way, but you butt it up against that plastic right there. Draw a little line as close to the center as possible. Do it again and again and again, and then you connect those lines, and then you would find the center. Drill your hole. With this kind of thing, I would probably do that before I even painted. So there you have it. Isn't that cute? This would go so pretty in a bathroom or kitchen. Small dining nook. Yay! I finally have a clock that I made. How about that? Alright. Thank you so much for joining me. Quick and easy. And I hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and share. Leave me a comment. I think it's adorable. Do you think I should put numbers on it? I like it the way it is. I could do 3, 9, 6, and 12. Put little rhinestones on it or something. I don't know. I like it the way it is. Alright. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.